Finding information using Summon. Let's look for journal articles. What is Summon? Summon is a discovery tool. It enables you to search for information across the library's resources and databases. How do I access Summon? From the DUT Library website at library.dut.ac.za. How do I search Summon? Go to the library website and enter your search terms or keywords into the Summon search box. For example, effective communication and organizations. Type in your search terms and click on the search icon. Summon searches across the library's resources and provides the results. Note the large number of results. So let's refine the search by putting the phrase effective communication in inverted commas. This means that these two words will be searched as a phrase and next to each other. Click on the search icon again. Note the difference in results. It's much less and should be more accurate. However, this is still too many results to look through. Look on the left-hand side of the screen. There are other options to refine your search. What kind of information do you need? Do you need a book for general information and background knowledge? Do you want a print book or an online book? Do you need a journal article giving current information? Do you want to limit how old the publication is? Let's look for journal articles. Click on the journal article option on the left-hand side. A green tick will appear and Summon will update the search to only show journal articles. Note the difference in results. It's much less. Let's limit the search to only show publications from 2010. You can either enter 2010 in the left-hand box and press the Enter button, or drag the date bar up to 2010. Note the difference in results. Again, it's much less. You may also want to limit your search to full text online. This means that you will have access to the full text of the articles you find. However, it may mean that you miss out on abstracts or citations of useful articles. When you start looking through the articles that you've found, you can hover your cursor over or click the preview option. You will see a short abstract or summary of the article. This helps you decide whether the article is useful or not. If the article is not what you want, scroll down and look at some more. When you find a useful article, click on the title or click where it says Full Text Online. At this stage, you will be required to log in using your DUT for Life email and usual password for students, and your usual DUT email login and password for staff. If you don't go to the previous login screen but instead encounter this screen, do the following. Click on Use your institution's local login on the right-hand side. Either type in Durban University of Technology or scroll down until you find it and click on it. You should then be taken to the usual DUT login screen. Once you've logged in, you will be taken to the article. The interface will differ depending on which database the article is in. You can read the abstract and sometimes the full text online, but you need to download it as a PDF so that you can read it later. So look for an option to download the PDF. In this case, click on Download PDF on the right-hand side. Now you have your article. You have various options either to save, email, or print. Return to the Summon search and try another article. Click on the title. You may get this linking screen. If so, to get to the actual article, click where it says Article on this screen. This interface again looks slightly different, so click where it says Download PDF and then click Download this article. Again, you can save the PDF or email or print. If you don't want to open and save each article, you can save a link to the articles in order to access the full text at a later stage. So in Summon, click on the icon on the right-hand side of the record. The record is then stored in a file on the top right-hand side of the page. You can add many records and they will be stored until you log out of Summon. When you're finished browsing, click on the folder to enable saving the list. Click on Email to send the hyperlinked list. Complete your email address, add a message if you want, check that you're not a robot, and click on Send. Your search will be delivered to your email and the records are hyperlinked so that you can access them easily. Click on the title to link to a particular record. You probably will have to authenticate yourself again with your DUT login and password. From the screen, you can also export the citations into EndNote. EndNote is a reference management tool. Click on Export to and select EndNote. Depending on which browser you're using, follow the commands. The citations will be entered into your EndNote library. Make sure you check that the citation is correct and complete. If you need any assistance, contact your subject librarian. Contact details are available on the library website. Under Subject Support, click on Subject Specialists or Subject Research Guides for details of the relevant librarian.